very beautiful arrangement of this grass on a little, it's perched on a little niche over here. I think some few inches of soil is there, and it has formed a very beautiful natural arrangement. And then a small habitat is created, comfort zone. So this is such a versatile plant. In a hostile location like this that goes underwater for a few months in the year and all, it is quite happily survived, and it has taken over this. There's nothing else going on this little niche plant community except one species. Water flows there right next to it over there. So it's a good plant for this riverine regenerating of rivers and such things. So even a little niche like this can provide some habitat, and then some of these those water skaters, they are able to hang out here in this kind of place, like there for example, because the current is not too much. And then only thing is water may be a bit polluted because I didn't see hardly any fish. Only that rosy barb was there, nothing else. Very nice roots also. All these plants, all these things are very important to preserve the ecosystem of this. All these roots will be sucking up pollution and pollutants and all from the water and little floating particles. For example, here the water flows fast, and then these roots are jetting out. So little particles and all gets trapped there. So that is one grass, riverine grass.